What's going on, guys? It's Mike with FormAWin here to help you guys get your first engineering job. This is video number 2 in our FormAWin crash course for how to get your first engineering job. Today we're talking about networking hacks for students. Let's get into it. All right, everyone, as always, feel free to text me on my number below here, 305-923-8724 if you need further help, further development. Let's get into the video. Let's go ahead. Get a pen, piece of paper, take some notes. Let's rock and roll here. We're gonna go over a few tips for networking hacks for students. So many people neglect this. So many people learn the stuff I'm gonna be telling you and more, or different things. Then they go out, they don't apply it, they don't review, and then they don't learn. You're different. You're gonna take notes and rewatch this video every time you go and network, so that way you can improve each time you do it. Tip number 1 is gonna be the power of LinkedIn in terms of how to find recruiters. So we talked a little bit about LinkedIn here, right? But now for networking, we need to apply a little bit of a different concept. We talked that you need to network with engineers and recruiters, but now the power of LinkedIn and where you can actually find these people, right? So you can go into engineering groups, you can go find them at different job postings, you can look at the job postings, find the recruiter involved, find mutual connections, and then work your way up the ladder. That's just one strategy. There's plenty of strategies to apply, but that's just one easy way to do it. And if you do that with every job that you apply to and go message, network, email, find a way to get in contact with them, can you just imagine the increase in responses and interviews that you'll get? Yeah, go do it. We just talked about engineering groups, but tip number 2 is going to be to embed yourself in engineering groups. Maybe that's your Discords in school, whatever the school platforms, GroupMe, etc., right? But in LinkedIn, there's LinkedIn groups. Go into those groups, network, add value. There you go. And tip number 3, cold outreach. Look up LinkedIn limits, hit those limits each week. Promise you'll see some results. All right, guys, that was a quick, easy video, but I promise if you apply what I said, you're gonna get to your results. It may seem simple, yet you still won't do it, or will you? Comment down below if you're gonna do it. If you did it, then the results that you got. Listen, let me know if you need help with anything. Wait till video number 3.